Guys, this sneaker here was one of the first non-OG colorway 6s. Believe it or not. Look it up. 22 years ago, this was like the first non-OG colorway. So Jordan Brand is really killing us with the blue names, guys. We just got Bravest Blue. Now we got Midnight Navy. Jordan 6s, man. It's crazy because we didn't get this sneaker in about 22 years. And I think when it came out, it was called Sport Blue. Clean sneaker in my opinion. Not gonna lie, man. Hit the B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Today we're gonna review the Jordan 6 Midnight Navy. And since I received these sneakers, they restocked maybe 10 times. I'm happy that Jordan Brand is finally giving us the demand for the supply, or is it the supply for the... I'm happy that we're able to go in stores and get Jordans. Resellers may not be that happy, but I'm happy that everybody's able to secure a pair. But the problem with securing your pair easily is that the sneaker has no hype, and now the hyper beasts don't want it. This sneaker is clean, very basic, but it still has a nostalgic of the Jordan 6. In my opinion, way too much white, but it's a clean sneaker, guys. These retail for $190 with tax in New York. You're looking at like $217. I won these off the sneakers app, and to be honest, sometimes when you win a sneaker on the sneaker app, it's either the hype is not there or you're just lucky. Either way, you're just happy to have the sneaker that you tried to purchase. We're going to get into an in-depth review on this sneaker. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So, on brand, what Jordan Brand's been doing for the last maybe year and a half is giving us the same color of the sneaker on the top of the box and that beautiful classic elephant print on the bottom of the box. Not mad at it. Little Jumpman here, big Jumpman here, another little Jumpman here, and all your bells and whistles at the bottom of the box. Flip open the lid. It's kind of hard showing y'all the quality control stamp now because they putting them all the way here. But there go your quality control stamp. Looks like just Spartacles, but I guess that's a play on the elephant print also on the tissue paper. And here go your right shoe, guys. I kind of checked it. Little bit of glue stains and things of that nature. The quality, like far as the packaging, wasn't that great. A lot of glue stains and scuffs and things. But with a white sneaker, you're gonna notice those things way more than like a nubuck suede sneaker. Gotta remember, the whole sneaker is leather, guys, so you're probably gonna have those problems. But if you've seen one Jordan 6, you kind of seen them all. This one is just draped in your midnight navy, where your classic infrared here. These are the ones from, I think, 2012. These are not the ones that came out a year and a half ago, guys. These are the 2012 ones. So you see with this one here, it looks more better because you have the black nubuck with the red infrared. So it gives it more character here. As far as the midnight navies, the white kind of blends it out in my opinion. but the midnight navy brings it back in style. So start with the toe box, all leather, white. I really wish they added like maybe some silver reflector to this sneaker, but all white all the way up. You still have your classic Jordan 6 rim backboard, I like to call it. Backboard tongue, I like to call it. And you still got this thing here. That's what makes the Jordan 6 dope. The shoelace button. The classic heavy, big Jumpman Jordan on the tongue. Like, they could have made this a different color, I feel like. But it's a classic shoe, man, no matter how basic it look. You got your classic Jordan 6 shoelaces. I wish they gave us another colorway to kind of maybe put some blue in it. If you're going to rock these, I will put blue laces in here. I think the blue shoelaces will make this sneaker definitely pop more. If you really feel like it's too basic for you, the shoelace definitely would do something. The Jumpman logo here with the Air. Y'all know I rather Nike Air on the booty. But quick fact, guys. This sneaker here was one of the first non-OG colorway 6s. Believe it or not. Look it up. 22 years ago, this was like the first non-OG colorway. So I get why they left it the way they left it. The translucent bottom is still dope. If it would have reflected, I think it would have been better, but I still love that classic look of that translucent bottom. You still can see the white in the inside. Believe it or not, the bottom has more blue than the top of the sneaker. That's wild. So my opinion on these sneakers is this is classic Jordan, man. Blue and white. You can wear with anything, man, including a Yankee hat. You know I'm from New York. So I love this sneaker. As far as it being available, it's available not because people are returning them or not because people don't want them. Jordan Brand finally fixed the pre-pandemic stocking situation. So I think that's why they're available and that's why they're restocking heavy. And also, it's a GR. So GR means Dick's Sporting Goods gonna have it, Jimmy Jazz gonna have it, Snipes gonna have it, Finish Line gonna have it. Every store that sells sneakers are gonna have it. It's a general release. So guys, if you want this sneaker, pick this sneaker up. I know I'm 94% hype beast, but a dope sneaker is a dope sneaker, and this sneaker you can wear with anything, man. Let me know in the comment section below, did you cop? Are you waiting to cop? Do you think they're going to hit outlets? That's why you're waiting. I mean, $217, man. It's not like you're paying $250 for the sneaker. I say if you want it, get it now. But it is a chance these will hit outlets. I seen Jordan 4 Fire Reds hit outlets, and I didn't think those were able to do that. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. I got a whole bunch of streetwear stuff I brought, so you know our annual 2-week streetwear pickups is coming out soon, so stay tuned to that. Hit subscribe, tap that notification bell. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich. Jones on the soundtrack.